Welcome to Pasta Fazool. Today we're going to make a bunch of pizzas for the school, so stick around and we're going to have a little bit of fun, okay? So come right back. Welcome back. Okay, so today is a pizza day. So this is how I stretch them. I usually make around 4 or 5 at a time, and put them in, cook them up, you know. This is how I stretch them. This is how I get them ready. So this is the way I do it. I usually get around 5 ready, you know. I really don't get very fancy because I'm not a fancy guy. I just make the pizzas and put them, you know. Some people like to throw them in the air like this, you know, but most of the times I get a throw in my face. So I don't do it. Those are the acrobats. I just make pizzas and have fun at the same time, you know. Oh, I mean, I could throw pies in the air like this, you know, but that's it. But that's it, you know, if you like getting flour in your face. Not me. Alright, so you make about 4 or 5 pies, get them ready. And then you do them over again, over and over again. Cheese on it. One at a time. Okay. Make sure that no cheese goes under it, because if you do, it'll be the end of the pizza and it's stick. So I'll make about I'll make 4 more. Get a little closer to 1. There I go again. I'll start again. See? Stretch them out. If I'm really in a rush, what I do is I get 1 and I get 2 and I stretch them both at the same time. Oh, they don't have to come perfectly round. See, that one doesn't come round. But round enough for you to pick it up and stretch it out. But I'm not in a rush right now. Got enough time. Hello, pizza guys out there. If you're watching this, I know you guys can probably make them better. Pizzas in the air, though. Me? I got no time for that. I got sauce on top of the stove right now. I gotta go and stir. So I gotta make this really fast. Get them out of the way. I got beat. Put these 4 in. And that's 8 pies. Got about 32 more pies to go. I only have 2 ovens on, so yeah. That's all for now. We wait until we cook these, put the rest of in, you know, and I'll see you in a little bit. Okay. And a little bit of a stir. Got some bubbles. kill the bubbles because bubbles is nothing but troubles. These are almost done. And we're gonna start taking them out pretty soon, so be right back. One. Are we on?
Yes, sir.
Okay, we're almost done. We're start making the last ones, more or less. And we're almost done. Make these pizzas. This is such an unprofessional show, you know that? You know, every time I make the pizza, I just have fun. And thank God, we made quite a few of them right now. This place has been very busy. Now, lately it's been even busier than it ever was. Making a lot of pies, thank God. But, you know, making pizzas, it all comes down to just having fun, that's all. And yeah, that's it. That's 4. This is the last one. That's 5, right? Yeah, last 5?
Yes.
This is the last 5.
So I heard you guys have been here the longest, for 21 years?
We've been here the longest owners of Summer Pizza. 21 years. Yes! You know what? I'm tired. And still going. Okay, so I cut pies. You got the 4 boxes over there ready? Yeah, because I gotta put these in. And these are pizzas we make for the daycare centers every week. Sometimes 35, sometimes 40, it all depends, you know. And keeping us busy on Thursday morning. That's good. These are the last 5, right? Yeah. I got time for that. Let's cut these up. 16 slices. 16 slices, these little kiddies, you know? They're little kids, so you have to cut them that small for them. So, hey, you know that? We're almost done. We got, I say about 10 more pies to come out. We're almost done. Hey guys, we're almost done over here at Summer Pizza. And thank you for being with me. I had a good time. I hope you guys had a good time. And you guys want to stop by Summer Pizza? I'm at 1013 Summit Ave in Union City, New Jersey. So come over. We'll have a little fun, me and you guys. And I'll see you next time. This is Pastor Fazool from Summer Pizza. Ciao. Hey YouTubers, thanks for watching my video. If you guys enjoyed my video...
Andy, you're missing one pie, bro.
You sure?
Yeah? It's right there. It's right there.
Hey, you know, guys, happens to the best of us, you know? Sometimes it happens, it happens. You sure? Yeah?
Yeah?
Yeah? Comfortable?
Yeah.
Okay, one match on here, one match. That's it, right? 21?
Yep, that's it.
Okay, ciao.
Again.
Hey YouTubers, thanks for watching my video. If you guys enjoyed my video, just say Pastor Fazool! And of course, subscribe. And I'll see you next time on my next video. Ciao.